Hey team, so I wanted to go ahead and make a quick video on how to create a group on DreamCDo and then message that assigned group. So the first thing you're going to do is log in, and then on the top left where it says Rise High, there should be a drop down. You'll click on Teams, and then you're going to go ahead and make your team. So I'll go ahead and make a team called Team Summit. Go ahead and click Create Team. So now you see it at the bottom. There are 0 people currently assigned. You're going to have to go to Assignments. An easy way to go is right here through the hyperlink, or you can go to Invite and Assign People. Now you're at the assignment page. So you're going to keep the group the same. Oh, no, I'm wrong. You're going to go to Teams, and then you're going to select Team Summit. And then the only option is for them to become a member. Here's where you're going to go ahead and enroll all of the different students that you'd like to be in the initial team. You can always add or change at a later point as students become more engaged, but you're going to go ahead and enroll students here. So you can add Carla. You are going to want to add other people who are managing the site. So I'll add Shannon. And so you're going to add them just by clicking there, and you can see that once you click their name, they automatically are populated here. Once you have all of the different students added, you go ahead and click on Assign People. Once that happens, it will auto-populate them to that team, and you'll be able to find them in your messaging portal. So that's just creating the team. The next step would be messaging that team. On the top right here, you see the messaging portal. I'll go ahead and click that. And then I'm going to go ahead and click New. Now you can see I'm already a part of a few teams. So you can see I'm a part of the APCH Spanish team. There's a few group messages with students here. Once you create your Teen Summit team, you're going to go ahead and see auto-populated message that you can just click on. So you should be able to just click on your team and then message them. And so you would just, so example, if I was clicking on my APCH Spanish team, and this is where we've been sending out the Zoom links every week, similar to how you all will be doing, I can go ahead and begin messaging them here. Let me know what questions you have, and I can help walk us through this again if needed. Thanks.